Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. I got this beautiful 1967 Chevrolet Camaro showpiece car, beautiful restored condition. This thing won Best Engine in 2021 at the Rockland Car Show. Just beautiful with air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, aluminum radiator. Just beautiful, beautiful from up to down. Stonewashed Blue, Foose wheels, front disc brakes as you can see there. Look at these door lips, all original welds, beautiful top shelf interior. Inner outer door jambs are excellent throughout the car. Tilt wheel, beautiful clear gauge lenses, nice dash pad. Console, triple gauge package, updated radio, beautiful, beautiful seats, and they do recline. They have been upgraded. Trunk is in excellent condition. There's some trophies back there and stuff like that. I mean, chrome, wheels, trim, glass, weather stripping, everything on this baby is freaking gorgeous. Check out all the photos at MGMClassicCars.com. You'll see everything there. Let's fire this baby up. If you're picky, this is the car. Everything on this thing is beautiful, guys. I mean everything. Got tilt wheel, modern radio setup. Baby sounds great. The paint reflection is excellent. If you guys need financing, not a problem. We can also finance the sales tax and the delivery portion of it as well. We can keep your payments very, very low. We have beautiful long-term financing, guys. So check that out. You will need 10% down minimum to get qualified, and obviously good credit, okay? So if you need financing or delivery, as far as financing, you can go to my webpage at mgmclassiccars.com and fill out that credit application. And for those of you who need delivery, call me or text me your zip code. I'll get you a quote. This car, I would have to say, if it's going to go a long way, it's got to go in close. This thing is just simply that beautiful. My name is Thomas, and I can be reached at 847-848-1850. Guys, gals, thanks for watching. Enjoy your day. And don't forget to hop on MGMClassicCars.com. I got over 185 cars in my collection. You guys should go check that out. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.